welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. So I went on Amazon and I was searching for a hair waver, like a crimper, because I always wanted to do that to my hair. So here I am filming a video about it. So I went to Amazon and I searched the most popular ones, and of course on my budget, and I found this one, and it caught my eye because it's pink and it's really cute. If you see me looking a little bit to the side, my mirror is right here in front of me. So yeah, let's get started with the video. I'm so excited to try this and so excited to see how my hair comes out. I'm going to do the bottom half, and then just the top part I'm going to speed it up, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I thought about this hair waver. Instructions, of course. So it says off. I guess you push the middle button to turn it on, and it says on the booklet, I'm guessing it says on the booklet, so the highest setting is 110 and the lowest setting is 110 and the highest setting is 240. So I'm going to put it at 200. First thing I'm going to do is start by sectioning my hair like this. That. Tie this one. Is it ready? Oh, okay, it says 200, so I'm pretty sure it's ready. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes while I brush my hair. Let me touch it. Okay, yeah, it's hot now. Damn, that got hot quick, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna start off. Hopefully this turns out the way I want it to turn out, and hopefully my camera doesn't do me wrong. Okay, let's start. Anybody else scared to burn themselves? Because I am all the time. If I'm using a strainer, if I'm using a wand or anything else, I am scared to burn myself. So please make sure you do this cautiously, okay? So the thing about this, that it's big. It's big. It's like the size of my hand or bigger. Yeah, bigger. So I'm going to leave it on for, I say, 10 seconds. Yeah. Just counting in my head, okay? You guys see these eyelashes that I have on? I bought them on Amazon and I love them. Now something about these lashes that caught my eye, and I was like, I have to get them. Okay, I'm so excited to see the whole hair. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to curl the half with you guys, and then I'm going to speed up the top part, just so this video won't be so long. See how this does one time that I passed it. Looks like this. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so there's the second piece. Okay, so that's the first half, and now we have to do this half. I like it. I'm liking it, but I'm not going to. I said I was gonna wait till the end, didn't I? And I'm already telling you guys what I think about it. So far, so good. Oh, how about this? I give my whole review of this at the end. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Especially when you get to the ear side. That's when you get scared the most. And it's so big. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay. So, let me know in the comments down below if you guys own a hair waver similar to this, and yeah. So this is the last piece at the bottom. Yay! Oy, 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 oy. So definitely, if you want bigger, if you want them like this, then you're gonna have to leave it on for longer, because as you can see, this one kind of, oh my god, okay, this one kind of looks bootlegged. So yeah, I wish I could play some music, but you know, YouTube copyrights me, and then I'm not gonna be able to upload this video. Ow! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my beautiful face. This thing almost hit my face. Oh wow, I was scared because I'm touching it and it's not hot. But if you touch the pink part, then it's hot. Oh, okay. That's Mr. Pink Waver. Not little, but big. Oh, also, this is a 25 one. So I got the 25 one. Let me turn around so you guys can see the bottom. If I missed the hair, please, if I missed the hair, I'm so sorry, but I cannot see the back. But this is what the back looks like. All done. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to finish this top part and I'll be back. Hairspray to lay these baby hairs, and also I just spray this is why I don't like hairspray. It goes everywhere. Here. Okay guys, so this was the end result. Like I said, if I missed a hair, please don't come for me. I cannot see the back unless I have a mirror, so I will see if I missed the hair in this video. This is how the curls turned out. I mean, the waves. I would call it like hair crimping. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Also, for this, I recommend it. I think it works good. It does the job. So if you're looking for a more affordable hair waver, hair crimper, I will suggest you buy this one. I will link it down below if you're interested. I hope you guys like this video, And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And